ihe nwere ka m ga-enye nna ihe nwere ka m ga-enye nna ihe nwere ka m ga-enye Biafra ma m enweghị ihe ewere m obi m nye ọ bụkwa na onye nwere ihe ọ bụrụ iwu o mee na ọ chọrọ o were obi enye wepụta taịm ya ọ na-alụlụ Biafra ọrụ onye onye nwe obere ego o nwere ike onwe onye nwere ọrụ nwe onye nọ penshọn o nwere ọrụ anyị anabatakwu ya anyị na-eji maka na nwanne anyị enwere ego wee chụpụ ya ịmago ama nji maka ya chụpụ ụmụ nwanne anyị fabiaba anyị chọrọ mmadụ first before ego dị mma odo na ego dị mma mana mmadụ bụ isi a sị na mmadụ bụ isi ndụ bụ isi nya mere ihe nwere. Hello Biafrans, this is IPOB Peckham Zone. We are here today, 22 August 2019. We are here, but we are observing social distancing. 2020, we are here in Old Kent Road having our meeting. We have dismissed. We stayed here for 3 hours. Now we are doing refreshments. This is our sister and her husband. They came today and everyone is very happy because we turned out massively. Many has gone and everything is going accordingly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, brothers and sisters.
God, refreshment.
Yes, our sisters made the refreshment. Even Elikai go forward, and they made it willingly out of love because the sister forward forward. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh, bye bye. Chukwu gozi unu.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is one family. Everyone is enjoying, and this is donated willingly. Nobody paid for it. Due to we love ourselves and we are like one family, and people are doing free will donation to make sure everything is going fine. Thank you, everybody. I'm so glad that today we started again. Pandemic caged us, but God so kind is releasing a little bit. Ihe nwere ka m ga-enye nna. Ihe nwere tax collection.
No,
This is honorable. 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 Okay, social. Came up social. Oh, now I will go and eat mine. Happiness full my heart. I'm not hungry anymore. I'm not hungry. There is. Okay, can you put on me before the muddy liche? Brody, do lock it. I see the why Biafra sitting. You do lock it. Macamboni, Nina, Japan. Mana.